Hi friends, for tonight's weather experiment, I'm actually going to take you in for a little bit of a closer look. So let me step out of the way here and show you what we're doing. First, you need a glass jar filled with hot water. So I just got this out of our coffee maker here at work, but you want to fill it up about halfway, and then you want to take your paper plate or paper bowl and put it right on top of your jar here. So you're trapping all of that warm air inside the glass. Then you want to take ice. I have kept mine in a bag for easy cleanup, and just set it inside your bowl or plate and make sure that it is not going to fall over. So now we watch what happens inside the jar. Obviously we have liquid water here in the bottom, but you can see how it's kind of foggy. It almost looks like a cloud here at the top of the jar. That's because the water is so warm, some of it evaporated into water vapor, the gaseous form of liquid water. When it evaporates, that warm air rises to the top of the vase where it's trapped by our paper plate. So the warm air, the water vapor, is at the top of the jar. Then we added the cold ice to the very top. And as we give this a few minutes to work its way through, you're going to start to see these liquid spots forming where it was once just gas. This is condensation happening in real time. The liquid goes to gas and creates a water vapor when it's warm. Now that the ice is cooling that warm air, it is condensing back from the gaseous form back into liquid, and you'll start to see it kind of dripping down the side of the glass here in a moment. So this experiment is great. It can teach you two different things. First, it's obviously a great way to visually demonstrate the differences between liquid and gas and how we go back and forth between the two phases. And honestly, since we're using ice, you can talk about that as well. This is also a really great way to talk about how clouds and rain form. Just how we saw that cloud, that foggy part, start to form in the top of the glass, clouds actually form the very same way, as does rain. The rain, just like you see falling down the side of the glass right now, starts as water vapor that rises into the atmosphere. It condenses in a cloud, and then the cloud rains out that liquid water. So here we have formed our own rain cloud through the help of evaporation and then condensation.